Here I have Honor X7, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. So now just for an example, let's take one photo with this feature enabled. And to disable it, you just tap on the gear icon to access settings, and here you can find mirror reflection. So now when we have it disabled, let's take another photo, and as you can see, these photos are mirrored. Like on this one, lightning is on this side and on this one on the other side. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.